In this lesson, we will learn how we can use ChatGPT to plan a vacation. Let's say you're planning a vacation, you want some hotel recommendations, some restaurants, great restaurants when you're visiting a specific place, a country, or a state. Then ChatGPT can be of great help. You can also ask for some places to travel in a specific country, or you can also ask how can I find a five-star hotel or a four-star hotel in any country in a specific month. Let's see. So here is our chat GPT. I'll just write my first prompt. What are some things I need to do if I visit Dubai? So let's see what will be the answer. So here are some places recommended by ChatGPT: Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, Desert Safari, Dubai Museum. So these are quite great and perfect recommendations by ChatGPT. Okay, here is a thing we should read. Okay, recommendations are also provided. Now let's say I want to visit a specific place in Dubai. I want hotel recommendations. Then, so there is a place in Dubai called Dubai Creek. I have just mentioned when visiting Dubai Creek, what area should I stay in? Let's see what would be the recommendations. Dera, okay. Bar Dubai. Okay, so these places are near Dubai Creek or a part of Dubai Creek. That's why it has been recommended by ChatGPT. Now let me find some hotels. Can you find me hotels for a 5-day trip in the May month? Okay, let's see what are the recommendations. Okay, so these are the recommendations. Now last one, what are some places during my trip to Burj Khalifa? Okay, so this will let you know about some restaurants. Okay, located on the 122nd floor of the Burj Khalifa. These results would be in and around Burj Khalifa. So this looks fine. This is how you can plan your vacation using ChatGPT.